Hi, I'm Bo Presnell, president of the Rug Gallery, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Bohemian look or the boho chic look. The boho look is a really fun design aesthetic. You can pair just about anything with it, whether it be transitional pieces like this one, natural fibers, shags to give your room a little texture and depth, or even pair it with fun traditional patterns with a lot of bright colors. And then you can also layer traditional kilums and vintage Anatolian pieces to kind of give yourself a little depth and pop of color. Bohemian decor is a colorful, eclectic look with a global inspiration. Bohemian style features a fun mix of color and patterns, furniture styles, and unexpected decor, along with asymmetrical layouts. Boho style tends to be super casual and carefree, with a relaxed approach to styling. Come visit us at the Rug Gallery and let our designers help you find the perfect rug for your boho look.